Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have the finale of the 12 Days of Christmas countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So I'm going to be listing the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist so that you can get as many decor ideas for the holidays that you know is quickly approaching. I'm going to be making 3 glam decor pieces that we can use and incorporate right through the holidays into the new year. As you see here, I took this cylinder vase outside and I only spray painted the top part of the vase, giving it that ombre effect. So we're going to be layering this all the way down before we use that marble bowl that I purchased at the Dollar Tree as a stand for this beautiful vase. Okay, so if we're looking at the vase, the top part is gold. And now what I did was I zigzagged in the middle the gold glitter. And so not only are we also going to be using the crushed glass, which is going to be on that bottom layer right there, but it gives it the 3 different textures. So you have the smooth, you have the glitter, and then you have the crushed glass. And this looks absolutely gorgeous. After I finish dusting off all the glitter from the bottom, I am doing section by section. We're using Mod Podge and crushed glass. And mind you, this crushed glass does have mirror pieces in it, so it looks so beautiful. So that's what I'm doing here. So we're doing section at a time. And remember, we have to let everything fully dry. So like I said before, this piece is absolutely gorgeous. I hope the camera's doing it justice. We're going to leave that here to dry. Now that is one of the bowls the Dollar Tree came out with the marble effect. We're going to use that bottom piece, like I said before, as a stand. And so now we're going to be using the Fix-All adhesive, and that's for a permanent stick. And then we're also going to be using the hot glue so that we have an instant stick so that I can continue working. Remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a ventilated area. You also want to leave this sit so that it can dry 24 to 48 hours. So let's move on to the next project. So now I decided to go ahead and decorate this particular jar with the lid. And what I did was I already took it outside and spray painted it all on silver. So we are going to bling this jar out, and this came out absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. What you see me doing here is laying rows of different kinds of bling wrap or the gem border wraps. And these I got from the crafter section at the Dollar Tree. Okay, place the gem on the top and place some 4 legs on it using the clear gems. And this is how that turned out. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? That jar can be used as a gift idea or just in your home as area decor. Moving on to project number 3. I absolutely love this trinket little piece here. This looks almost like a succulent, and I think they did come out in the summertime. Anyway, we're going to decorate this and then let's check out the end result. Now, quickly, as I was decorating this, I just thought, you know what, I'm going to cluster the very top of this lid and just smother it in all clear gems. And that's what I did. And now this can be used to place some mints, maybe some peppermints or something like that in any area of your house, on the dining room table, on the coffee table. It's just a really nice looking decor piece, at least for us bling girls. What I did want to say real quick is that all you would need to do is interchange the florals according to the season, because these decor pieces can be taken and used all throughout the year. Now, even though we have the finale today of the 12 Days of Christmas, the show must go on. And so in December, we're going to be starting the Home Decor Luxe Club, the Vlogmas. And so we were going to continue all through the month of December with our Christmas and New Year's decor. So make sure and jot that down. I want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I had a great time and everything seems to be moving quickly. So I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and just have fun and enjoy your families. God bless. Just want to show you what the 3 pieces look like before we go ahead and reveal on the tabletop. So here is the trinket tray with those overflowing gems. And then here is the jar. I think it came out so beautiful. You could put anything in there. And then here is the marble. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love this piece. So this is my favorite piece. These are the 3, and these are good all year round. So here is the reveal. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing holiday, guys.